Go.
Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to make some stamps out of cardboard. So you'll need cardboard, scissors, a pen, and glue. Preferably a glue gun, but whatever glue you have. So the first step is to pick a shape you want. So I'm going to draw a heart. So you just draw whatever shape that is. You can also use a template if you can print. You can print out a picture online and trace that. Okay, and you have two options when you do the stamp. So you can just have it like it'll come out, I don't know how to say this. You can have it smooth or textured. So if you want it textured, you can peel back that layer and then you'll have a textured stamp. So I'll show you how to do that one. So then you need to cut out a little square of cardboard and then you'll glue on your shape. I'll put it. And glue it on. And then you need to cut a strip of cardboard like this. They can be in various shapes. So here was my strip. And then I rolled it up. And then you'll want to glue that on the back of this. So this is your handle. And there you go, you have your stamp. So just let the glue dry and you have your own homemade stamp. So I made a star here, that's a smooth star, and then we have a textured heart.